good day everyone. Thank you for coming here. So today here we are going to talk about agile testing. So it's a way of testing the software. It's a quality way, and we have to discuss about agile testing principle. So this completely changes the way and what and how we think about the quality, and if we follow those principles we can deliver the cheap and best quality software. So let's hear from Priyadarshini and Adrian and Basavakumar and Gigi and Pratika about the principles of agile testing. Okay, let's start from Adrian.
So hi, I'm Andrew Perry. So I'm going to discuss about the traditional and agile testing methods. So actually in traditional methods, the testing phase will occur at the end. So the feedback for the product developers will reach at the late stage. So this makes a delay in identifying the product risk at a late stage. So whereas in agile testing, that testing will happen continuously in every day, so that the risk will be implemented to the developers at daily. So this makes the process more efficient compared to the traditional methods. Next, the agile testing is nothing but the software testing, but what unique is the agile manifesto focuses on what we test is not a matter. How we test and when we deliver the information to the product developers is the matter. So in agile testing, that continuous testing will enable the customer to get a very quality product.
So Hartran discussed about the traditional testing and the agile testing method. So what is the difference between those? And we have 7 agile testing principles. Let's see one by one. Let's hear from Priyadarshini.
So the first phase of the Agile is testing is continuous. So as we know in Agile, we'll be splitting the project into parts and we'll be completing each of those parts in sprints. So whenever we complete each and every part, so it must be tested before moving on with the next part, next sprint. So for that, we'll be using many methods. So the first one is about the continuous integration. So continuous integration plays a very important role in making automated tests and builds. So for this, Jenkins is the main application which is used to run automated tests and builds. So this Jenkins is connected with the GitHub. So whenever a developer uploads the code in the GitHub, then automatically the Jenkins will be building the software, and it will be running automated tests. And if in case if there is any failure, then the failure report will be sent to the developer team, and if there are no failures, then they will be moving on to the next sprint. So the second principle in the Agile is feedback is faster. So as we know, we have been building the projects in sprints. So feedback is also equally important, as it contributes the main part in building the quality software. So this can be achieved through many ways. So the first one is through conducting the daily meetings, through which all the members in the Scrum team will be telling all those feedbacks about the project which is built during the each sprint. Then sprint review is also created, after which each sprint the reviews will be taken and the improvements will be told. Through this we can achieve we can clear the error on the first itself, so it won't be a bigger one later. So through this we can build a very quality and efficient project.
So thank you Priyadarshini for the wonderful explanation of principle 1 and principles 2. And Pratika, what is principle 3?
Ma'am, what team testing work in Agile, ma'am? Okay. So I'm going to tell about the whole team testing work in Agile. So the whole team like developer, tester, then a product owner discuss the user stories and accepts the criteria of the written before the development. Then everyone knows the need to build and testing process. Then the result of this is it makes the fewer misunderstanding and clear explanation of the whole project. Then plan testing is developer, tester, and product owner or plan the test case in together.
So principle 4 is decreasing delay and 5 is increasing business values. So Pratika, explain how testing is carried out by those principles.
Okay. In Agile testing, the whole team and responsibilities helps the decrease delay and the increase business value, since the testing starts from the continuous through the development. Deduct through the identify to the fixed quality in the testers, product owners are together and spread the delivery. Continuously integrated and automated to release the full project and the fast feedback from the user.
Is writing the code. First, the code should be simple and clear, so we can test the code very easily. And the code should be in the clear and the structured format. So this testability will play like it will automatically create the project and it will work on it. So next, trust. Before I'm telling the trust, I would like to tell an example for that. As the developer is creating a project, he or she should show that a small software in that project should work properly in that. So the customer will think that yes, the project is going in a correct direction. So it will create confidential for that.
So I also eager to hear what is the benefit of agile testing from you.
Yes, ma'am. The first main thing is cost reduction. When writing the code, we'll be seeing some errors in that. So we should catch it properly and we have to fix it correctly. So it will reduce the time and it will save the money also. Next is adaptability. So when doing the project, like customer will give the requirement that feedback at the last day. So we should not panic it and we have to clear it soon.
So Basavakumar, can you summarize the need of principles?
Okay. Agile testing is better because it is continuous, fast, and involves the team. We stop treating testing as a final checkpoint because it makes a constant part of how we deliver value. Thanks.
So to deliver a quality software, agile testing is better than the traditional test. And if we follow the principles of agile testing, so we can even deliver the better software. So thank you.